What I'm saying is that as a government, and as a prime minister and as a person responsible and democratically elected, I need to make sure that everyone has in our country, as we have, the right to say and write whatever we want. We actually removed the institution of criminal libel during our tenure in office. We have made whatever we could, and we will continue doing whatever we can to make sure that there is freedom of speech. So I refute your allegation. I see where you're coming from. I could just play politics and say, look, the last things that she wrote was about the opposition party, and she got threats from there, she said. But, you know, I don't think that interests your audience. I think what interests your audience is a situation in a country where we are all shocked about what happened, and I'm here to say that this is not what we stand for.